Hey guys, I got the bike all done, the front and back together. Now I'm just working on fixing up the plow for the winter. The skid feet here run through. You can see on that one there, I got this. I just got that big flasher I had laying around and just going to weld it kind of towards the front side there to cover up the hole.
You know, you're like putting really thick welds on just to...
Yeah, just for material.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Quick little fix.
Well, last time I bought them, I think they were $60.
Just for those little things?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, washers are way cheaper. We have the welder. Hey guys, there's just a quick little fix on the plow there. By the look of the weather forecast, we're going to be needing it soon.